Hi everyone, Francesca Verri here. I'm actually at a client's house and she's been very generous to let me take a quick video. I want to show you she has two sons and one of her sons is going to move to a separate room. And so we're going to take part of this closet and it's going to go into another room. But in looking at the closet and looking at this is an awesome closet, the shelving, dresser drawers that she has in there, I open them up and you know me, you've seen some of my videos. I am encouraging now her to do the folding system. So I'm going to show you, I actually did a few drawers, but I'm going to show you, this is what the after picture would look like. So this is all the long sleeve and sweaters. And every drawer I open, I go, oh, we can gain some space here. So here is the short sleeve. So what I'm going to do next, and I won't do it with this video, but I'll just show you really quickly. I'm going to take all the shirts out. I'm going to fold them. Marie Kondo won't mind that I didn't do it perfectly. I'm going to fold them, and then I'm going to file them like this. And I'm going to stack them up by color and put them in the drawer, similar to what I did here with the long sleevers. So all of these have been folded, and then they've been filed, so to speak. So I'm going to file this whole drawer so that when this gets moved to the other room and her son is in here, he can open this drawer and see by color, because don't forget, the brain likes to see like items together. So when you see all white shirts, then all blue shirts and all green shirts, it makes it easier, certainly for the parent, to say, go put something on, because the child, I think, an adult as well, can more easily see what they own. In the process of me doing this, my client is video, thank you, she's videoing me right now, thank you. She's gonna come over here though, we're gonna pull things up, we're gonna make sure that what's in here actually still fits her son, because if it doesn't, it's a donation, and if it does, I can guarantee you she'll have space in this drawer. We'll actually gain probably about this much space in this drawer. So yay. And actually, let me just see, what do we have? Oh, yes, I'll just show you another drawer we did. So this was originally just summer shorts, but we turned this into summer shorts, all bathing suits, bathing suit shirts, and then these are shorts actually that he's going to grow into, and then these are sort of like, you know, khaki shorts. So the drawer is color coded and organized. So now where these things were on a shelf and these things were in a different drawer, everything's all in one drawer now. It can fit compartmentalized. We've grouped the like items together. We've folded them in a way, color coded them. So now you can see the category all together. Yay! I'll be back with more. Thank you.